Hello children. We are continuing with Standard 7, chapter number 1, that is integers. In the last video we have already studied about integers. That means integer was already introduced. We have also studied about the importance of integers. Now we are going to work on it. We are starting with exercise 1.1. Along with the questions, we'll try to understand the topic integers. Now, question number 1. Let me read the question. It is already flashed on your screen. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Now, if you look at the figure, you can easily understand that it is nothing but a usual number line. It has a 0. I hope you have located it. On the right hand side, they are all positive numbers because we know that positive numbers are greater than 0. So they are written at an interval of 5. Exactly the marking next to 0 on the right hand side will be 1. Then followed by 2, 3, 4 and 5 is highlighted. Similarly, it will continue on the right hand side. The same thing is true for the left hand side of 0. The next marking on the left hand side after 0, it will be -1, then -2, -3 and so on. Now, in this question, they have given you the temperatures and the name of the places. Actually, children, the first sub-question itself is noting down the temperatures. Let me move to the other slide and let's read the first sub-question. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So let's move again to the first slide, and here let us try to read the temperature with the help of the number line. Let's begin with the extreme left. The first place that is given here is Lahul Spiti. Now children, these are all, except Bengaluru, the rest all are holiday places, right? Hill stations rather, and most of you must have visited at least few of them, right? So now, and you all know that the temperature over there, it is very less. Now, Lahul Spiti is also a place over there. It's a hill station. It's too cold. Let's read the temperature here. It is between -5 and -10. As we move to the left hand side of -5, the next number will be -6, then -7, ultimately it is -8. So, the temperature of Lahul Spiti will be -8. Let's move to the next place shown, that is Srinagar. Now let's begin with 0 because this place Srinagar, where it is shown by that arrow, it is lying between 0 and -5. So let's start with 0 and move on the left. So next to 0 it is -1, next to it is -2. So the temperature of Srinagar is -2. Next, the temperature at Shimla, it is quite easy to understand. It is 5 degrees Celsius. These are all in degrees Celsius. So, Lahul Spiti, -8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar, -2 degrees Celsius. Shimla, 5 degrees Celsius. Let's move to Ooty. That is 14 degrees Celsius. And finally, Bengaluru. Yes, it is 22 degrees Celsius. So, you can see the difference in the temperature. Okay. So, we have done the first sub question and we have to just note it the way it is written here. Let's move to the next sub-question. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Children, let us note down the temperatures separately. So, the first statement, it is temperature of the hottest place. Which was the hottest place over there? Yes, it was Bangalore, and the temperature over there was 22 degree Celsius. And the temperature of the coldest place, that was the extreme left, it was Lahul Spiti, that was given as minus 8 degree Celsius. Now, if you have to find the difference of the temperature, it will be the temperature of the hottest place minus the temperature of the coldest place. That is what we do. Here also we have done the same. So, difference in temperature, that is the third statement written in the solution. It is written as 22 minus 8. Now, that minus 8 is enclosed in the bracket. Because the temperature of the coldest place is minus 8, we cannot remove that minus sign from it. That is why it is actually 22 degree minus, in the bracket it is again minus 8. Okay. Now, we are going to solve it. Children, we have studied last year itself that minus into minus, that is product of 2 minus, it is plus. That is why the next statement reads as 22 plus 8. And finally, the answer is 30 degree Celsius. So, the difference in the temperature of the hottest and the coldest place, it is 30 degree Celsius. Next sub question. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Children, we have already noted the temperature. Lahul Spiti was minus 8 degrees Celsius and Srinagar was minus 2 degrees Celsius. And we know that when we find the difference, it is always the hotter minus the colder. Which one is hotter out of Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Obviously Srinagar. Because as we go on the right hand side, the temperature is increasing. Or you can say that minus 8, it is lesser than minus 2. So, the temperature of Srinagar in this case is more. That is why when we find out the difference of the temperature, it will be minus 2 minus the temperature of Lahul Spiti, that is minus 8. Too many minus over there, but you have to be very careful about it. Okay. Srinagar was minus 2. Then the minus sign which is shown, it is the difference. And minus 8 was the temperature of Lahul Spiti. Minus 2 remains as it is. But then minus of minus 8 becomes plus of 8. How? So, product of 2 minus sign, it is always plus. So, the next mathematical statement that is written over there, it is minus 2 plus 8. And when you add them, it is nothing but equal to 6. How do you add? So, the sign of the greater here, it is plus. So, the answer will always take that plus sign. And children, plus minus is subtraction only. When you have one negative, one positive, you subtract. So, 8 minus 2 gives you 6 and sign is always written for the greater one. That is how you get the solution as plus 6 degrees Celsius. The difference of temperature comes out to be 6 degrees Celsius. Now, the last sub question here. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Now, we have noted down the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla separately here in the solution. So, temperature of Srinagar is minus 2, for the Shimla it is 5 degrees Celsius. The question is temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Together is addition. That's why -2 is added to 5 in the next case. So the third statement of the solution is temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is -2 plus 5. And the answer is obvious, it is 3. Okay. So the temperature of these two places taken together comes out to be 3. Now our question is, can we say the temperature taken together it is less than the temperature of Shimla? So that together one we have to compare with Shimla. Together the temperature is 3 degree. Only Shimla the temperature is 5 degree. So is it less? Yes, it is less. So the next statement reads as, yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than that of Shimla. There is one more sub question over there. Is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So now this 3 that was the together temperature is to be compared with that of Srinagar. But then the temperature of Srinagar is in minus. So it has to be lesser. So the answer comes out to be no. It is not less than that of Srinagar. Okay. I hope you have understood it. We'll come with the next questions in the next video. Thank you for now.